Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. In this video, we're going to talk about former governor of Kaduna State, Malam Nasiru El-Rufai, how he has thrown his longtime friend, Nuhu Ribadu, the National Security Advisor, under the bus. That's what we're going to look at in this video. And if you're new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. Now, you know that a few days ago, the National Security Advisor, through his lawyer, Ahmed Raji, Senior Advocate of Nigeria, wrote a letter to activist Najaatu Muhammad of the Northern Star, telling her to pull down her TikTok video where Najaatu Muhammad accused the National Security Advisor of now working for President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, who he classified as a corrupt governor when Nuhu Ribadu was the chairman of the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission. In the said TikTok video, Najaatu allegedly said that Nuhu Ribadu, when he was EFCC chairman, did say that Bola Ahmed Tinubu, the then governor of Lagos State, Kano, the then governor of Abia State, George Akume, the then governor of Benue State, that they represent the worst case of corruption in that order. And she was now wondering how manage Nuhu Ribadu, who said that Tinubu was that corrupt, is now working for Tinubu. Either that what she said that time was a lie, or that he compromised his integrity to be able to work for Tinubu. And she brought this matter in the process of looking at the clamping down of opposition by the Tinubu administration, referencing the arrest and the arraignment of Professor Usman Yusuf, a staunch critic of Tinubu administration, who is now being arraigned in court for alleged corruption by the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission. Following that statement, that video, the National Security Advisor, through his lawyer, Ahmed Raji, Senior Advocate of Nigeria, now wrote to Najaatu Muhammad, telling her that she should apologize for that video in 5 national newspapers, right? Apologize to the National Security Advisor. And to do that within a week, in 7 days. And that if she does not do that, they will take further action, legal action, or options available to them. Now, when Najaatu Muhammad got this information, she spoke with Premier Radio and insisted that she's not going to apologize, that Ribadu said that about his current boss, and that she's not going to apologize. So she doubled down and said that Ribadu should take her to any court he likes. Now, while this thing was raging, the former governor of Kaduna State, Malam Nasiru El-Rufai, waded into the matter to give his own side of the story. And in wading into the matter, that was when he threw his longtime friend and ally under the bus. Now, this is what El-Rufai did through his verified Facebook account. He shared a screenshot of an old newspaper that captured what Najaatu Muhammad said to prove that Najaatu Muhammad was right on what she said about Nuhu Ribadu, talking about Tinubu, that Tinubu was corrupt, was allegedly corrupt. And the fascinating thing about it was what El-Rufai wrote on that Facebook. He said that he wrote, and I quote, he said, Nuhu must have serious amnesia. He said, Nuhu must have serious amnesia to have forgotten that he said those things. That's what El-Rufai wrote on his Facebook account. The former governor claimed that the record of proceedings in the Senate will confirm that Nuhu made those statements sometimes in 2006. And he went on to say that the subsequent Daily Trust report below of February 2007 reconfirms the essence of the statement. And then he went on to write. This is what Malam Nasiru El-Rufai wrote. I'm quoting him now. He said, the conclusions of the Federal Executive Council in 2006, which can be subpoenaed from the Cabinet Secretariat of the Secretary to the Federal Government's office, contain the allegations. In that special fake meeting, in which I was a member, Nuhu's EFCC made similar presentations, accusing many sitting officials sometime in 2006. These council conclusions will further remove all doubts. This is for the record and to remind the morally flexible that at some point in our national life, silence is no longer golden. In other words, he said that sometimes in our national life, silence is no longer golden. He said he is not going to keep quiet. El-Rufai said, I'm not going to keep quiet on this matter, because at this point in time in Nigeria, silence is no longer golden. So he came out with his full chest, saying that Nuhu Ribadu said all those things. And she has even suggested where Najaatu Muhammad can go, or where the lawyers of Najaatu Muhammad can go and get the information to back up what she said. In other words, when he was talking about it, because if you subpoena the Secretariat, the office of the Secretary to the Federal Government, they will be forced to bring out the minutes of the meeting of that fake that El-Rufai said that he attended that meeting, he was there. So if they are insisting on going ahead, you know, they gave this woman 7 days. Now that the woman has doubled down, let us watch and see whether they will go further with their threat. Now, if they go further with their threat, El-Rufai has already given like a spoke on the lawyers of Najaatu Muhammad that EFCC even said similar thing at the fake meeting that he was a member. And if the lawyers of Najaatu Muhammad want to get evidence, they should subpoena the office of the Secretary to the Federal Government, and they will be forced to bring out the minutes of the meeting of 2006, where Nuhu Ribadu and the EFCC said similar things, said the same thing about governors. Okay? And is something that many people agree that Nuhu Ribadu said it. Now El-Rufai has brought evidence. He has also brought Daily Trust report, which is an evidence that could have a lot of weight in court. That Daily Trust report of 2007 that he screenshot. In other words, despite the fact that these two people used to be very good friends and all that, and they used to be good friends and political allies. They were very close in during the time they served in Obasanjo administration and all that. Despite that, El-Rufai has decided to side on the side of Najaatu Muhammad because, in his own words, silence is no longer golden. He cannot keep quiet and allow this woman to be pushed around when the truth is staring everybody on the face. That was El-Rufai has done. What is your position on this? Do you think that El-Rufai threw his friend under the bus, or he did the noble thing by bringing even more evidence to prove that Nuhu Ribadu allegedly said that Tinubu was one of the corrupt governors? Whatever is your position, let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, Google will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.